Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm thrilled to share the transformation of my smart network room that has taken place over the past 6 months. It's been an exciting journey with many stages, including constructing new walls, upgrading my network attached storage, and optimizing the room into a high-performance hub for my smart devices. Now let's dive right into the details of this transformation. The first step was to convert this space into an actual room. I constructed walls and added soundproofing measures because noise can be an issue. This is especially true as my house has two separate furnace systems, one for the basement and the other for the top 2 floors. When both systems are running, particularly during winter, noise levels can rise. To tackle this, I used a combination of resilient channels, insulations, and 5/8 thick drywall for noise reduction. To ensure complete noise isolation, I also installed a solid core fire door. The result was impressive and with a significant noise reduction. To make the room feel a part of the house, I painted the walls and installed luxury vinyl planks over the concrete floor. This choice of flooring reduces dust accumulation, simplifies cleaning, and provides a comfortable surface to walk on barefoot. To control access to the room, I installed a smart door lock powered by 4 AAA batteries. This Bluetooth-enabled lock can be unlocked using a fingerprint, keypad, a mobile app, and a physical key as a last resort. The lock also features a USB port on the side, allowing a power bank to be used as an emergency power source. Given that this room is now sealed, I installed a smoke detector that is interconnected with the other detectors in my house. This way, if there's a smoke in the room, all the detectors in the house will go off. It is worth mentioning that Apple recently released a feature on the HomePod Mini that enables it to listen for smoke detector beeps and notifies you through the Apple Home app, even when you're away from home. This adds an extra layer of safety and convenience. I also installed a water leak sensor, an invaluable tool for detecting potential water damage early. The sensor is compatible with major smart home platforms like Apple, Google, Amazon, and SmartThings. I automated the lighting in the room with a smart switch and a motion sensor combo. The SmartThings motion sensor also monitors the room temperature. While there isn't a cooling system in this room apart from the cooling fans in my rack, the room's temperature is typically maintained at around an average of 25 degrees. I also have automations in place to alert me if this temperature exceeds 30 degrees. I have attached a smart energy monitoring plug to my UPS to track my network's energy consumption. This provides a useful information about my network rack's usage trend and helps manage energy usage. I also set up an automation to track the hours of my furnace filter. I created a simple template card within Home Assistant where I input the date I replaced my filter, and the system counts the hours from then onwards. This can be useful in helping me figure out when to replace my filters. Construction work inevitably led to considerable amount of dust accumulation. Despite covering the network rack, some dust made its way into my system. I decided to deep clean the server and upgrade some hardware. Using compressed air, I removed most of the dust, followed by cleaning all the components with rubbing alcohol. Once clean, I upgraded my server's network card to a dual 10 gig network interface card. This directly connects to my UDM Pro's 10 gig port using a 10 gig SFP. In addition, I upgraded my hard drive from a 3 TB hard drive to an 8 TB server grade NAS grade drive, a significant improvement from the basic surveillance grade drives I had been using from the past 3 years. I also had to downgrade my RAID configuration from a 6 to a 5. In a RAID 6 configuration, you need 2 parity drives, and your parity drives cannot be less than the largest drive in your pool. In my case, upgrading my pool to 8 TB would mean that now I needed to upgrade the parity drive to 8 TB as well. But I only have 3 8 TB hard drives. So what that means is that I would lose two 8TB drives to just parity alone. So I decided to move one of the parity drives into my pool. So now I'm able to only use one 8TB drive for parity and everything else within my storage pool. My plan later down the line is to eventually bring it back up to RAID 6 when all the drives are up to 8TB. To increase data transfer speed, I changed the channel size on my 5 GHz channel from a 40 MHz to an 80 MHz channel. This is similar to expanding a 4-lane highway to an 8-lane. This transformation journey has been quite an adventure, and I'm delighted with the outcome. I look forward to sharing more updates as I continue to enhance and optimize my smart network room. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.